Black's Wonderland. A is for apple, so juicy red. A is for apple, so juicy and red. A is for apple, so juicy and red. A is for apple, so juicy and red. B is for boys with stories of bed. B is for boys with stories are spread. B is for birds with stories are spread. B is for boys with stories are spread. C is for crayons vibrant and bright. C is for crayons vibrant and bright. C is for crayons vibrant and bright. E is for crayons vibrant and bright. D is for dreaming rich for the night. D is for dreaming rich for the night. D is for dreaming rich for the night. E is for dreaming rich for the night. E is for elephant big and A. E is for elephant big and gray. E is for elephant big and gray. E is for elephant big and gray. F is for friend who brighten your day. 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 G is for giggles pure and sweet. G is for giggles pure and sweet. G is for giggles pure and sweet. E is for giggles pure and sweet. H is for Hopsich the game on the street. H is for Hopsich the game on the street. H is for Hopsich the game on the street. H is for Hopsich the game on the street. I is for imagination, let it soar. 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 J is for jumping just a little more. J is for jumping just a little more. J is for jumping just a little more. K is for jumping just a little more. M is for magic and never in the fair. M is for magic and never in the fair. M is for magic and never in the spell. M is for magic and never in the spell. N is for numbers, let learn the well. 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 O is for owls wise in the night. 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 P is for playground where friends unite. 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 Q is for question, ask and explore. 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 R is rainbows, colors galore. 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 S is for sunshine, warm on your face. 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 T is for teamwork is anyways. 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 U is for umbrella for rainy days. 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 V is for victory in many ways. V is for victory in